Hey and welcome guys to TechExpress once again. We're diving in today into the world of social commerce with a step-by-step guide on setting up an Instagram shop in 2023. If you're looking to turn your Instagram followers into customers, you're into the right place. Let's get your products on the Instagram shopping grid. Alright, so understanding the Instagram shop. Instagram shop allows businesses to showcase your product directly onto their Instagram profile. Users can browse, explore, and purchase product without leaving the application. It is a great way to leverage your Instagram presence and enhance your online retail strategy. Alright, so what are the actual eligibilities and requirements, guys? Before you set up your store, make sure you are eligible. You need an Instagram business account and you must comply with the Instagram mutual agreements and commerce policies. Also, your business, guys, should be located in a supported market and have linked a Facebook page. And how you can always focus into that is to go directly into your store. You can focus into the shopping section. Inside the shopping section, you want to scroll all the way down until you find the business section. Here you're going to be seeing the actual business.instagram.com. If you haven't already done this, first of all, you need to convert an Instagram account to a business profile. You can focus into more settings once you are inside Instagram. And now we have the account center tool of Meta. So that means that if I go here down, we can switch, of course, from your personal account into a new professional account. So as you can see, I'm inside the professional section, and down here you can switch to your business account. So it's going to be really important to choose from a professional account into a business account. Now, business are for retailers, local business brands, service providers is here into switched, and you're actually good to go. Now here you have the street address, the city and town, the zip code, and you can display the contact information. And there you go, guys. We are actually good to go. Now, choose the category that best fits for your business and follow the prompts to complete the setup. So in this case, I'm going to type for shopping and retail. I'm just going to leave this like that. And then later on, what I can do is to go back into my profile, and you can see that we have now the business section in here. Now, how can I add my own products into my actual store? Well, actually, it's not that hard. I'm going to open any tab and look out for the business.facebook.com. This is the part where we wanted to make the linking of a Facebook catalog. So you need to link a Facebook catalog. This can be done throughout the Facebook Business Manager and creating a catalog and add products linked into an existing one. You can always go into the business.facebook.com. Here, what I want to do is to look out for tools and go directly for the commerce section when you go to sell products and availability. Once we are here, what I wanted to do is to get started to the commerce manager and adding my actual first business account. So I have my business account already in here. Now into shop, I'm going to hit now into managed. Now into manage, you have your business assets. So you can create a new sales channel by doing this automatically in here, hitting to connect and adding your store there. Or you can choose a actual provider. In this case, it would be, for example, Shopify. So I'm going to go for shopify.com. I'm going to sign into my store. And what I wanted to do is to install an actual application that can be helping me to install it directly here into your sales channel and go for Facebook and Instagram. So you want to ensure that all your products are exactly in here to Shopify, so you can make that done really fast. So as you can see, we have the product status approved, all of them. Here's the connected product catalog. And now I wanted to get started to sell your products into Instagram. So let's go here and to start the setup. And you can see that here we have the sales channel added. So what you wanted to do is to get started with connecting a sales channel. So in this case, it's already been done. So once you have done this correctly, what I wanted to do is to get started with the commerce account in a good seller integrate state. So let's go back here. And then what I wanted to do is to get started by adding the business assets. Here I have the connection here. And once my connection has been done, already been connected, I can get started with the actual overview of my store and add my products. So you wanted to show that all the product listing are completed with images, with descriptions, with prices. And this is how we can move on into the setting of your Instagram shopping. So once your catalog is ready, you can go back into Instagram, into settings. You wanted to find business and then set up your Instagram shopping down in here. and follow the prompts to submit your account for the review. This needed to be, of course, the review and done directly inside the actual Shopify once again. So as you can see, I already make the actual review of my store, and you should see that you have this notification that says in review. So my shop is in review and it's not visible to customers. We needed to wait. Sometimes take an hour, sometimes it might take up to 2 to 3 days. And once you make the verification, the process actually is going to be done automatically. Now, let's tagging products in posts and enter stories. For stories, you're going to use the product sticker and link it to the products. Check out how it's going to be looking your products. Then later on, you can use the tags. So you can add the image of your products, you can add videos, you can do whatever you want to do. And then later on, it's going to be added into Instagram. Now, managing your Instagram shop. Managing your shop through the shopping tab into your Instagram business profile, you can track the performance of how it's going to be looking your actual products. So you can see into the insights. They have the overview, you have the catalog, the performance, the audience, how your content, the type of awareness, and the meta events. So you wanted to regularly update your catalog and utilize Instagram shopping features to maximize your sales, guys. You also have the to-do list that can be helping you to run more stuff throughout your actual store, the verification process, the email stuff, the provided business information, and so on and on. So guys, that is an actual grab for how you can get started your Instagram shop so you can get out to more larger audience. With these steps, guys, you're going to be well into your way to performing your Instagram account into a really powerful sales channel. So if you find this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. If you got any questions or tips about the Instagram shop, you can drop them into the comments below. Thank you for tuning into the Tech Express. Keep exploring the potential of the social commerce, guys. And well, see you in the next video.